Today, I'll teach you how to turn your idea into a finished digital product you can sell. And you don't need design skills or expensive tools to do this. Here's the product we'll be creating today. Believe it or not, it took just 2 hours to create it. Let's begin. The easiest digital product to sell is a checklist. Why? Well, it's a broad topic compressed into several pages. Sometimes you don't want to get into details, but simply want to get the results. For example, I don't want to know which chemical processes take place when I mix baking soda with water. I just want to get rid of a wine stain from my shirt. So let's make a checklist. I've decided to make a marathon preparation checklist. Why this topic? Well, I've been talking to my friend who recently finished his second marathon and decided that this would be a great example. In this tutorial, we're going to use Claude. You can use ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever, but I prefer Claude. By the way, I have a pro subscription for Claude. The free version is okay, but it'll take you a lot more time, effort, and edits to make a decent product. Knowing that such checklists sell for at least $2, your $20 subscription will be paid off in just 10 sales. And you can make several products and speed up the process. All right, let's get started. First of all, we need to get Claude to build files for us, not just serve as an AI chat. Open Settings, then Capabilities, and turn all the toggles on. That way, you'll be able to get a real downloadable PDF at the end instead of just a text screen. Okay, the preparations are done. Let's start prompting. For those who don't know, a prompt is an instruction or question you type into an AI to tell it what you want it to do. We'll start with the main content and then we'll make it look spiffy, because people buy content, not the looks. That's why our first prompt isn't about design or visuals. By the way, the great thing about AI tools is that you don't need to know a programming language or some obscure vocabulary to use them. You can explain everything in your own words. We'll ask Claude to give us a clean, structured checklist organized into several phases. Look how simple our prompt is. And just like that, we have our structure. A link to all the prompts I used will be in the description. Okay, we have our 4 phases, tickable items, and a plan for 16 weeks. Read it and correct anything that feels wrong, because you are the expert, not the AI. In this case, I showed the content to my friend Mark because he's the one who finished a marathon. Mark told me that all the info is correct, though the 16 weeks plan may be a stretch for a complete beginner. Some people will definitely need more time, but we'll leave it at that. My main goal here is to teach you to make a digital product. But again, make sure to check all the info. Now our result looks like a plain text document, which nobody is going to pay for, so let's add some looks. Remember, I said that you don't need to be a designer. That's right, we're going to feed Claude a reference image. Find any design you like, be it a checklist, a planner page, or brand layout, anything with the kind of vibe you like, and drag that image into the chat. Then you ask Claude to match the colors, the fonts, and the feel in your PDF. I like this look, so let's use it as a reference. Now, let's type in the prompt. I asked Claude to create a polished, premium, downloadable PDF that looks like the reference image, and to provide me with a PDF file in the end. Now look at that. I like it. If you don't like the colors or fonts, just tell Claude to change them. You can keep tweaking the look until you're happy with it. Here are some examples. There's also one important detail you shouldn't forget, especially if you sell anything that deals with health, fitness, money, or legal advice. You need a footnote that says that the contents of this PDF are general info and not professional advice. For our marathon checklist, that means telling people to consult a doctor before they start training. It builds trust, and at the same time, it covers your butt. All it takes is one prompt. Here it is, short, friendly, and sits right at the bottom. Now, the last step is the easy one. You add your brand name and your website, and then you download the finished PDF. That's it, nice and tidy. Now all we need is to download the file and start selling it. Where do you sell it? You can sell it on your own website or use a platform. We covered this topic in one of our previous videos. But typically, when we talk about digital products, you just need a simple online store where people can instantly download your file. By the way, Sellvia has an extensive catalog of ready-made digital products, so you can even skip the creation process. The link's in the description if you're interested. So that's the entire process. Sure, your mileage may vary. Maybe you want to create something more complex, like a guide or even an ebook. Claude can help you with that, and prompts are all over the internet, so don't be afraid to start. The real takeaway is that any topic you already know can become a digital product. Cleaning routines, meal plans, packing lists, onboarding steps for a job, study guides, whatever you are good at. Pick your idea, run several prompts, and you'll have your digital product ready. I'll see you in the next one.